Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to frozen a Google Spreadsheet first row. So first, just simply go open the Google Spreadsheet, and after that, just simply select the row that you want to freeze. So let's say I'm gonna freeze this first row over here. So just simply select it, and after that, you should be able to click on View over here at the top. And as you can see, you should be able to see here the freeze icon. And now from here, you can go for one row, two rows, up to one row, or no column, one column, two column, or up to column and Z. So pretty much it will be depending on you. So let's say I'm gonna go for one row, and from there we should be able to freeze this one. And remember guys, you can select how many rows to freeze, and you can also freeze a row by dragging the horizontal line when you scroll down. So you can click on this one and you can adjust it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.